Hi and welcome to the fourth session of Q&A. I'm really enjoying these Q&As and thank you for all the questions which you're giving. So in today's Q&A, the first question is from Prasanjit. So he says, Alok sir, I'm in full-time job and for career enhancement, I wish to start study of CS. In the age of 40 plus, it will be worthful for me. How can I do practical training? Shall I resign from the job? Awaiting your reply. So yes, so here this question is very good and I am happy that you want to have a career enhancement. Yes, company secretary course is definitely going to help you and age is just a number. Please don't worry about age. I keep telling this in most of the videos. People who are not in their 20s, you don't have to worry at all. In fact, yesterday I was reading one of the online tweet where it was saying that one lady who was 94 years and she was taking her exam of 10th standard or something like that. So if she can take a 10th standard exam, you at the age of 40 plus, it is very young to take company secretary course. So age is just a number, don't worry. About the job, please don't leave your job. Along with your job, you study CS. And for practical training, there are many opportunities after you finish CS Executive. Till you finish CS Executive, please don't worry about practical training. In fact, after you finish your executive, what you can do is there are some companies which may give you opportunities where you can do your training and also work. That options we can see later, but now just concentrate on studying the course and passing executive program. Also, Prasanjit, one thing I would like to tell you is that you are an inspiration to every other student who is studying company secretary course for you to think about this course. And everybody else who is watching it, for you it is a good news that see a person who is in their 40s want to do this course for career enhancement. That means the future of company secretary is very bright. The next question is from Devarajan. So he says, sir, when is the Q&A session? So here it is. So we'll continue to have it. Thanks a lot for following us, Devarajan. We'll continue to have regular sessions from now on. Next question is from Surabhi Goyal. Surabhi says, sir, please give tips on how to study for drafting subject. Surabhi, actually we already have a video. Our faculty Pooja ma'am has made a video. We'll leave a link in the description below. You can watch that. The next question is from Mudassir Hussain. He says, sir, can I take second module first? So that means the question is in CS Executive we have module 1, module 2. Can I write module 2 first is the question. Of course you can write, there is no restriction. But then the company secretary executive new syllabus is designed in such a manner that if you study module 1, you will have a better advantage to write module 2. There is no rules which says that you have to write module 1 and then module 2. If you want, you can write module 2 and then 1. But my suggestion would always be write module 1 first, then write module 2, because in module 1 we have the basics of law, the first subject, that is jurisprudence, interpretation and general laws. When you study that, you can understand company law and other subjects. That is why there is no rule, but my suggestion is write module 1 first in executive new syllabus, then you write module 2. Next question is from Trupti. She says, sir, please give how to study the CS Executive and give intro to all the subjects, because this is all new for me. Just now I have passed foundation with 320 marks. So first of all, congratulations Trupti for passing foundation with a huge margin of 320 marks. We will definitely make, I really like your idea, and we have already done this for one subject. Abhishek sir has made a video for security laws and capital market. We have made an entire series. We will also link it in the description below. Same way we will try to do it for other subjects also. Thanks for your suggestion. Next question is from Manish Kumar. He says, sir, मैंने लास्ट ईयर एडमिशन लिया था फाउंडेशन क्लियर किया अभी और मैं CS एग्जीक्यूटिव में न्यू सिलेबस या ओल्ड सिलेबस देना है. So for Manish, it is very simple. You have to write new. Please remember, only existing students of executive have option of old. That is also only till December 2019. Everybody else, whether you're foundation pass or degree pass, newly you're taking CS, you have to take new syllabus. That is from 1st March 2018. Everybody is under new syllabus for anybody taking the course newly. Next we have Pradeep Chandra. He says, sir, I want new syllabus pen drive videos. Yes Pradeep, we have available for new syllabus, module 1 CS executive. If you want to know more, we will leave a number in the description below. You can call us for more details about how you can get the pen drive classes. Next question is a very common question, and that is Karan Kaushik. So Karan says, sir, please tell me the price of the guideline books and where we can purchase this. We get this question a lot, not just Karan. The guideline answers is available only in the ICSI chapter. So if you are not in a city which has ICSI chapter, you can call ICSI and take it from registered post also. If you go to the ICSI chapter in whichever city you live, or go to a city where the chapter is there, one guideline answer book is 40 rupees. And if you want it by post also, there is a procedure. You can call them and get it by post also. You don't get it in the normal bookstore. That is one small problem students are facing. Next question is from Yogesh Kumar. So he says, sir, is it worthwhile to switch over to new syllabus in CS Professional in the upcoming exam and skip it so that I will be able to write in the next exam? Because I am having problems with FTFM paper, and because of this I am unable to clear the group. Please don't do this mistake. If you had the option to switch over, I would have told yes, you do. You still don't have. You have an attempt. Please don't miss any attempt when you have the attempt. Yes, bad luck you might not have done, but you never know. Maybe December 2018 is the time you're going to pass. That is why please don't miss the exam. I would encourage you to please write the exam in 2018. You never know, you are going to pass. The last question is relating to Sridhar Shastri. So he had actually asked us to make videos relating to security laws, and we made an entire series. It is already there in the link below. You can watch it out. So please do continue to give your suggestions about what you want. Please remember, we at Ekcel Academy want to help students who want to do the company secretary course, and whatever you want, we will be there to help you. So please continue to put your comments. Even for this video, whatever questions you have, please put it in the comments below. We will be happy to answer you. And of course, for more such videos, subscribe to Ekcel Academy to do well in your CS course.